This is a 2010 R1 with the Competition Werkes stainless slip-on. The fit and finish on them are really cool, pretty nice. I've got a friend that has the Graves low mount on his trek bike, and we've set them right next to each other, and I would say volume wise, loudness, it's right on par with the Graves low mount. Yeah, I figured they would be a lot raspier and nastier than they are, but they're actually, sound wise, they're really similar to the Yoshi dual mount that another one of my friends has. So overall, been pretty happy with them. It's my first Competition Werkes that I've had, but I'd have to say I'd get them again.